Yeah.
That was it, guys.
That was sick.
Nice. Alright, team. So what we're going to do this time, red wristband. Put it into this bucket. Thank you. We're going to do the same as before. Just jump straight on it.
Nice warm.
You all good, Rusty?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Better get it away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, what are we on? Sidewinder.
Yep, this is the sidewinder trick. So it's a bit longer, you've got a few turns, but it's a little bit slower as well.
Yep.
At one point on the track, there's a part that the ball gets slowed down. So if you come to a stop, don't panic, just give it a bit of a push from the inside and you'll be rolling down again.
Okay, awesome.
Have fun, Tim.
Here we go, we're going down the sidewinder this time. Zigzaggy. How much squeal is going to happen? A lot. There we go! Yeah, that was awesome.
Awesome. Coming up first.
Shit.
This is sound free.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, you can pop back in the van or the hot tub.
Yeah, we'll go straight to the hot tub, I think. Would you rate that out of 10, Rusty?
Oh, Jesus.
That was so much fun.